This video is the preparatory work for the Spanish Armada roleplay activity that you will be undertaking in class. This was the clash between England and Spain in the 16th century. You're going to work through the activities on this sheet, and they are going to provide the context, the background and extra information and research to enable you to really bring this story to life and show your ability to work collaboratively as a group. So the first thing is that you're going to be sent this document as a Word document via Show My Homework. You're going to access this and then you're going to complete the tasks. First things first then, the two principal characters, here and here. Find out who they are. You can make some biographical notes around the picture of each one. And then what I want to know here is which type of Christianity both these countries followed. And it's the difference in the way they worshipped Christianity that became the problem between them. Secondly, why were England and Spain enemies? Read through this list here and identify which statements are true and which statements are false. You can delete the ones that are untrue, the false ones, and keep the ones that are true. Again, to do this, there's going to need to be a degree of research undertaken by you. Moving on. Next thing that you're going to do is you're going to expand this table in your Word document by cutting and pasting the blue statements into the correct boxes. By doing this, you will then become an expert on the readiness of the English fleet and the readiness of the Spanish fleet, understanding both their strengths and their weaknesses. Then, based upon the work you've just done on that table, you can complete these sentences here, and therefore you will take a point and you will provide me with the evidence. You repeat that from A through to E. E here, on balance, I think that the strongest fleet is. Identify whether that's the English or the Spanish, and then I think this because, and then you have a PEA paragraph. Then, task 4, you're going to read the A3 character sheet, or the character sheet that's attached with this particular document. What you're then going to do, based upon your understanding of each of the characters which your group will be playing, you will gain insight into what each of these characters, these 8 characters, actually believe. So that will enable you to start planning your script and your argument, because you will have an understanding of both your character and the other characters. And then finally, you can draft your advice to the Queen. And of course, this will be your understanding of what the English should do now the Spanish are coming, and this can be the argument that you take when you have that debate in the role play with the other characters. Fill out this scroll.